Today I'll be showing you how to make a delicious creamy coffee custard that is very easy to put together. Hey everyone, Namaskar and welcome to Curries with Boombi. Okay, here is what we need first. Cornstarch or corn flour, instant coffee powder and cocoa powder. Here I have taken 700 ml of whole milk, from which I will be using a few tablespoons to make a smooth paste. Next we will make the custard. Milk goes in. Add sugar after the milk comes up to a boil. Stir for a minute and allow the sugar to dissolve. Then lower the heat and pour the corn flour coffee mix gradually. Use one hand to pour the mix and use your other hand to stir the custard. In this way you will get a smooth custard. Allow the custard to cook for a few minutes on low heat. Now you do not want a very thick consistency, but this looks too runny to me. So what will you do when this happens? Please do not fret or fume or write an angry comment when this happens, but dissolve 1 or 2 teaspoons of cornstarch again in a little bit of milk and add it to the custard. And I did the same. Okay, as you can see, the custard has thickened up. It is still a little bit runny, but it will thicken up more once it cools down. Heat off and allow it to cool down completely. In the meantime, I will whisk some cream. Whenever you plan to whip cream, everything needs to be super cold. That is, the mixing bowl, the beaters, the cream itself, all need to be ice cold. Okay, here I have taken a cup of heavy whipping cream, to which I added a splash of vanilla extract and confectioner's sugar. Okay, first I need a lightly beaten cream which I will use as a topping. See how soft the texture is? I will take out some onto a bowl and the rest I am going to whisk up more, but do not whip too much. Some of this heavily whipped cream will go in the custard and the rest will go while layering the custard. My custard has come to room temperature now, so I added some of the heavily whipped cream. Mix everything again to get a smooth texture. Okay, you are pretty much done now. Assembly time now. It will be a layer of custard, then some of that heavily whipped cream, again a layer of custard, and finally a dollop of that lightly whipped cream on top. You can assemble it in whatever way you want to. You can even go fancy with your decoration. It's just that I am very bad at getting fancy and I mess up everything when I want to make anything look fancy. So I'm keeping everything simple, and whenever it comes to dessert, I always like to keep it simple. But one thing I can assure you, that this custard tastes really very delicious. It is light, creamy, and that whipped cream makes it extra creamy. I even have a very simple coffee custard recipe on my channel and also a coffee trifle recipe. All will be showing up on the screen at the end of this video. Please smash that like button so that this video reaches out to more people, and I will see you in the next episode. Bye bye.